One of my absolute favorite biology quotes is, "Nothing in biology makes sense except in the light of evolution." Too often, evolution is thought of as just a theory or something from the past, but theories carry a lot more weight to them than just a hunch or a passing guess. Scientific theories are broadly accepted, combining multiple hypotheses and an abundance of evidence to explain a phenomenon about the natural world. And evolution is still occurring. There isn't a set goal or endpoint or perfect version of any organism. As the world and its environments continue to change, organisms either adapt or, well, they don't stick around to see what happens next. Hey, I'm Melanie King from the Absolute Recap, and I make AP Bio easier with podcasts, study guides, videos, and the ultimate review packet. If you're looking for the Unit 7 summary video, you can access it by signing up for the ultimate review packet with this link. All 8 units come with the best resources, study guides, exclusive practice videos, practice sheets, and practice multiple choice questions. Plus, there are full-length AP-style practice exams at the end of the course. Here is a short sample from the summary video with 7.10 Speciation. A species is defined as a group capable of interbreeding and exchanging genetic information to produce viable, fertile offspring. Speciation can occur when 2 populations become reproductively isolated from each other. Consider the population of mosquitoes that populate the London Underground. The mosquitoes thrived in the underground environment due to the lack of natural predators, stable climate, and abundant human hosts. Over time, populations of mosquitoes in the underground have diverged from their surface counterparts due to reproductive isolation and genetic drift. They can no longer interbreed with mosquitoes above the surface and have developed into a new species. Neither evolution nor speciation functions at a specific rate. Evolution can be really fast and punctuated or occur gradually over thousands or millions of years. Sympatric speciation occurs from a single ancestral species in the same geographic area, despite overlapping habitats. This divergence is typically driven by non-geographic factors like polyploidy, ecological differentiation, or mate preferences. An example is the apple maggot fly, which shifted its host preference from hawthorn to apple trees, leading to the formation of a new species. Allopatric speciation is due to geographical isolation, where populations are separated by physical barriers like mountains or rivers, limiting gene flow. Over time, these isolated populations accumulate genetic differences, eventually resulting in distinct species. This was exemplified by Darwin's finches in the Galapagos Islands. Initially, a common ancestor arrived on the islands, but over time, due to varying ecological niches and food sources, the finches diversified into distinct species with specialized beaks for different diets. Natural selection favored beak shapes suited to a specific feeding ability, leading to the evolution of numerous unique species. Gene flow is further prevented between populations by pre- and post-zygotic mechanisms. Examples of pre-zygotic mechanisms include temporal isolation, where species have different mating seasons, and mechanical isolation, where morphological differences in organs of reproduction make it physically impossible for species to mate successfully. Examples of post-zygotic mechanisms include hybrid inviability, when embryos don't develop properly, and hybrid sterility, as seen in mules. These mechanisms reduce the fitness of hybrid offspring, discouraging interbreeding and maintaining reproductive isolation between species. So if you like my YouTube videos and podcasts, you're going to love the Ultimate Review Packet. It has all the content you need to understand and the skills you need to practice to get an A in your class and crush your exams. Not convinced to sign up yet? That's okay. You can still listen to the Absolute Recap Biology Edition podcast and watch all of my free videos here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next recap.